Hi leaders, welcome. Mrs. Sutchins here. I'm going to be teaching today on fractions on a number line. So when we look at fractions on a number line, we know that we have one whole unit. All of these fractions are going to be one whole unit. That means I start at 0 on this end of my number line and I go all the way to 1 because there's one whole. You'll notice the same thing for the second number line in pink and the third number line. They were all within one whole. So when we look at fractions on a number line, we have to remember that we don't count the lines, we count the equal size pieces. Think about that. We don't count the lines, we count the equal size pieces to figure out what our denominator is. Our denominator is going to be our bottom number. This is how many equal pieces there are total. So let's go ahead and count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal size pieces. We start at 0/4. When we have one equal size piece, we call this 1/4. 2/4, which is equal to half, 3/4, and 4/4. 4/4 is equal to one whole. All right, let's look at the second one. The second one, when I notice, I'm going to start here at 0 and I'm not going to count the lines. I'm going to count the equal size pieces. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Most of my number line is filled out, except I notice point A, does not have a correct fraction. And neither does B. B has one whole, but it doesn't have the fraction. So let's go ahead and count, and we'll think, what would A be? 0/6, 1/6. Wonderful. Think about what that would be. If you said 2/6, you are correct. Let's continue. 3/6, which is exactly half. 4/6, 5/6. What would B be? If you said 6/6, you are correct. 6/6 is equal to one whole. All right, let's move down to our green number line. Our green number line has a lot of little pieces. I'm noticing a pattern. As my denominator gets bigger, 8 equal size pieces. As it gets bigger, the pieces are smaller. Let's continue. 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. Think what C would be. If you said 6/8, you are correct. Think what D would be. If you said 7/8, you are correct. And 8/8 is equal to one whole. Remember, as your denominator gets larger, your pieces become smaller. The bigger the denominator, the smaller the pieces. All right, thanks for joining me today. Have a good rest of your day.